Hey, how's it going? Today we have aluminum gutter guard, A-M 5-inch aluminum gutter guard off Amazon. We got 200 linear feet with the screws. The screws are little hex heads. They come with a bit too if you buy the bit package for 208 bucks. There's the screws. You get 1,000 of them. And what these pieces are, they are, I think they're 4 foot long. This here goes up to the drip edge, and that part there screws on the top. There's screw holes there. Now, I put this roof on in the summer. Now it's winter time. We decided to re-clean the gutters. You see the pine trees behind me? Them. There's another little tree over there. Had a bunch of little leaves, which I'll show you what I was getting here. So I'm gonna fall off this roof here, right here. This stuff, and it was full. Believe it or not, that's the only trees around here, and it was full. So what I first did was, of course, if you're not used to being on a roof and everything else, I can't tell you the safety measures. I'm not here about safety. I'm only here about the gutter guard and the gutter getter. First, you have to clean the gutters. That's where we use this thing here, gutter getter. You pick this up. You can probably get on Amazon, but I go to Ace Hardware, True Value, or whatnot, and that's where I go ahead and I get my gutter getter. Now I'm going to show you how to install them here in a second. Peace. Right here's the gutter getter. You see, it is perfect. Boom. Scoop it up, throw the junk out. And that's what we got to do at first. All right, now we're back up here. We're going to install it. I'm going to show you how to install it. It's real easy. See this piece right here? That goes towards the back. The screw head goes towards the front. This is for 5-inch gutter here. Boom. Pull it all the way over. Take this here. Pretty simple. Take the screw. Boom. Now I'm doing every other hole. There's a bunch of holes. I think I still don't warp. There's so many holes. But what I'm doing is I'm going to test it, and if it does warp up this summer, I'll come back and put more screws on there, and then I'll make another video. But this should be fine the way it is. As you see, some of them little needles will get in there, but they should wash out down the downspout. But most all your leaves and everything is going to be good to go. Pretty simple to install. To me, it's the best gutter guard that I've seen, and for the price. I got 200 linear feet for 200 bucks with the screws. Now, if you a lot of your houses are only like 100 feet, you might be paying 150 bucks. But if you go in with your neighbors or something like that, and you go ahead and get 200 feet worth, unless you got a bigger house, I'm talking about small houses, you can get the 200 feet, which that's what this building's going to take. It makes it pretty nice, you know, if you can buy extra and save money. So sometimes maybe you want to go with your neighbor or something like that. Maybe install it for them, you know, or your parents or something. But see that? That's not going to buckle, bust, blow away. That's some good solid stuff. And there's ribs there. That makes it killer. But yeah, simple to do, simple to install. And then when you get to your ends, okay, on this video I forgot to tell you guys that they do interweave together. The ends there, they intersect there. Now, this is the way we're doing it right here. You see that splice right there? Just go on top of that, and boom, right together. All right, see that? Then you just put the screw in right here. Let's go ahead and get the screw going on. That way that'll help hold it up too. Helps keep them together here. Now you gotta remember, I'm gonna not steep, but I'm gonna slippery metal roof today. Boom, see that? Boom, solid. Cool.